Most people think Nike membership is just about occasional discounts, but the truth is it can offer a lot more if you know how to use it. First, signing up is free and fast. Once you're a member, you gain access to exclusive product drops, early releases, and personalized offers. For example, limited edition sneakers often sell out within hours, but members sometimes get early access, which can be a game changer for collectors. Nike also rewards activity. By connecting your Nike app or Nike Run Club, you earn points for workouts, challenges, and purchases. These points can be redeemed for discounts, experiences, or even special events like training sessions with Nike coaches. Most people get this wrong by thinking rewards are only for spending money they can also earn through engagement and workouts. Another perk is free shipping on online orders and easy returns. This might seem minor, but over time it saves both money and hassle, especially if you buy frequently. The membership also provides curated recommendations based on your activity and purchase history, which can help you discover new products without endless searching. One drawback is that not all products or events are available to members, and some offers are limited by region. But overall, if you're a frequent Nike shopper or athlete, the benefits can easily outweigh these limitations. In conclusion, Nike membership rewards are more than just discounts. They are a combination of exclusive access, points for activity, and perks that enhance your shopping and training experience. The key is to engage with the app and community, not just shop. Subscribe for more honest reviews of memberships, rewards, and loyalty programs to help you make the most of your money and time.